have in your iPad?
Yes, please. I see. How to do video.
Yeah. You're vlogging now? Full time? Huh?
I'm not. You are.
Morning, morning, folks! Busy with housework. Our fish is still here. The wooden fish. Look at this crazy looking one. From Japan. We bought that online. So far, the money tree is still thriving. Here's the fig tree. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this, or just let it like that. It's almost reaching the ceiling. I'm scared to cut it. It might not grow anymore. Oh, good morning, morning. How you guys doing? I'm sipping my coffee early in the morning while Max is there. Max is lounging. He's so tired. Max, you get all whiskey at early in the morning. And now you're sleepy. Huh? Say hi to your fans. Starving. Cloudy today. But there's no rain in the radar. Cloudy. We better close this so the cat doesn't get disturbed. I get some good rest. Right, cat? Cat. Gonna sit down here in the powang while sipping my coffee. Then we're gonna go out. Maybe get some video of what my husband is doing outside. It's a gloomy day. Perfect for lounging. Let's find a good Filipino vlogger. Or maybe that one. Life at the edge. Crazy. It's a lot of ice. Let's check out my own channel. Okay, that's it. Burn out. Got burned out of YouTube. Put a basket of fruit here so my husband get inspired to eat something healthy, not always junk food. Swallowed the trick, you put it right beside where they sit all the time. Wish them eating good food. Fruit. What are you trying to do? little difficult. This tire needed to be in this. It's for that mower. Because the tires are flat. We don't have the hydraulic. We need a hydraulic machine of Ford. We're going into the camper because we're gonna wash the bedsheets used by our visitor last time, Jeffrey. Maybe next time that we have gonna visitor, so it's gonna be fresh. So we need to wash it. This is where we let our visitors sleep when they wanna stay for a night. Because we have no extra room in the house. Here's the bed. Just gonna wash this bed sheet, the bed cover. What do you call that? It's a nice camper. Slime. That's the view. You wanna rent it out for Airbnb? Comment down below. You wanna experience staying in the farmland of the USA? It's not new, but it's doable. See, it's beautiful camper. Just need a little bit repair here and there. I'm just gonna replace all of this bedsheet or wash it so it's fresh. Put down the phone so you can use your two hands. A little bit refreshing for the future visitor. While we are in America. There, Greg, if you visit us, you come back to America, this is where you're gonna stay. In the camper. The restaurant here is not working. It's working, but it's not connected. It's cold here in winter. There's no good insulation. This is where we let our guests in the house sleep. Like a hotel. That with windows. Surrounded with views. There. See that? That's the back view. Side window. The other side window. It's there. Nice view, huh? So that's it. That's the back headboard window. Window. Add some storage. My stuffs are still there. Ouch. Cabinet. That's all my clothes. Doesn't fit me anymore. Cabinet. You can put some TV there or radio. And here I put this to hold some of the stuffs. I put the sign out of order because it's recently not connected. There's the shower. It's not connected to the water. just use the restroom inside the house. Whatever we're using, that's what you guys are gonna use. Just gonna put that there to bring it in for washing. Open this for a while. I have this net to slow down the insects just in case there's an insect that flew in while you're opening the door. It's hard. It's not that doable kind of net. We need to find a more better one. That magnet doesn't really work. It's not well aligned. It's like a junk dining table. You can use it as your office space or your online business, or just hanging out drinking coffee while listening to the birds. This is our guest room, a camper, old camper. We bought this for $6,000. I don't know how it's gonna price now in case we sell this. I don't know. I'm stepping on it. Okay, let's go back inside the house so I can wash this whole thing. It's been in my mind, so it's out of the way. Springtime is busy time and summer. That's the whole view of the farmland. My husband did it. No need to bring it to the mechanic.
That's nice.
Nice, good
I
job.
just gotta do it one more time.
There's a pain in there, but
Well, I got 2 chairs, so I'm doing- this one doesn't really need it.
thank you for all you do. It's difficult when you don't have a woman. I'm a woman, a man. You don't have a man and you have all these tools. When it breaks down, nobody gonna fix it.
Watch out later, you won't get grease on you.
Many tools, many gadgets, many toys, more maintenance. Yep, that's the reality of having stuff. The more stuff, the more issues. More cost maintenance. You do it in your balance sheet. Maintenance, expense. That's it for now. We're gonna ship this to the washing machine. Gonna be a special wash. Time to fold this other one. Here's the second tire. You can do it, Robert the Bruce. With Sicilian bloodline. Maltese, Louisiana, French. dressing shop in Naga.
I'm gonna finish my life off. Tired of being tired.
Yeah, baby. Malta. Scotland.